hope you guys can hear me. I'm starting this vlog from this room today. It's almost 8 o'clock. Let's see. It's 7:51. I've been up for about 40 minutes and today is Saturday. It's a gloomy day, but I want to start my day right fast because I hate how the sun sets so quickly and I feel tired right after 5 o'clock. So we're gonna start the day right. Today is Washday. Yay! You've probably seen my morning routine so many times, but this is my morning routine, guys. Let's get out of bed. Beautiful pearl. Yeah, everyone can see how good you do, right, for you? Come on. Stormy. Oh, that was better than yesterday. I gave her 2 treats. She's so excited though. I'm telling her she'll go another round if she can. She can play all day. For the last month, I just used coconut oil on my ends, warmed it up, used it on my ends, and next morning I go right into shower. But today I'm thinking I need a trim. I don't remember the last time I trimmed my hair. I think going back on my videos, it's about 3 to 5 months. But then I do these things where I search and destroy, is that what they call it? And kind of like dust the ends. But now I think I need like a trim, probably like half an inch off my end before the winter comes. So I would like to really get my hair detangled to a desirable point and blow dry my hair for this wash day. So that's the plan. Yesterday, I went to Sally's Beauty. I couldn't find this thing. Surprisingly, very surprised, I found it at Target. I was like, what? I was just like, let me just try Target because I've never seen it at Target. But I was like, let me try it. Let me see if I can find just maybe a pre-poo that is not African Pride. Lo and behold, I found this right there. There were like 6 of them because no one thinks they have it. If everyone, maybe I shouldn't be saying it here, but if anyone knew, or you know, the girlies knew that they have it in Target, it will be gone. But they had like 6, so I snatched 2. Because Sally's Beauty's shelf was empty. So I took 2 of them. My throat is a little bit sore. I don't see any redness back there. But recent clinicals I'm on for my school is pediatrics. And most of their illnesses are viral illnesses. Oh my gosh. And that's where I probably got this scratchy throat from. I'm not coughing yet, but I've had the scratchy throat for 2 days. But I think the first 2 days I didn't wear a mask. The 3rd day I was feeling some scratchies. Then I started wearing a mask. Then the scratchies went and now it's back again. But these kids will all come with sore throat, cough, nasal congestion, sore throat, cough, nasal congestion. We've had a couple of hand foot mouth disease. We had a couple of viral rashes. And I haven't had positive strep yet. I'm sorry, but they're like germs walking around, because if you're not having a fever, if you're not feeling ill and achy, and fever has subsided, you're going back to school even if you're coughing, because they can't keep kids out of school. It's just a cycle that you have to deal with. So yeah, that's where my sore throat is coming from. Crazy. But so far this is the best I think this is my favorite clinicals I've been on. Just that it's different from what I do. So quite intriguing. Anyways, I'm so nervous to take out this thing. When I woke up today, you guys saw I didn't have a bonnet on because I fell asleep on the couch and went to bed, to my actual bed at like 5 a.m. So I set an alarm to wake up early. But I do have a silk pillowcase, not silk, sateen, I think from Kish. I have those sateen, so I didn't care. I put my head down, I was like, oh my god, my bonnet. And I was like, I have a sateen pillowcase. So I made sure my head stayed on that sateen pillowcase. But I couldn't take the shame of what I look like. So I put it on. But guys, I'm having some thoughts. And I would like to see if other people have the same thoughts. The hair is dry. The last time I washed my hair was about 10 days ago. See my end? I wish I could do 3 inches. I could, but I feel like I'm gonna cry. I bought new scissors from Target. I do have one, but it doesn't give that. You hear that? Yeah, it doesn't give that. Once again, I did my nails last week, or this week, but on Monday. I think I did it Monday or Sunday. It's old. I don't like the shape. I'm not good at the oval shape yet. I'm really not good at it. I was trying to do some design. Yeah, this was my favorite design I did. But I think this week, girls, I have the kits and everything, so every week I'm like changing. It's so fun. I just literally spent about 5 hours doing this and I still had no regrets. My back was hurting, but I had no regrets. So I think this week, I feel like I want to keep the thumbs because I love them so much, and I'm gonna shave off this. I wanted to try pink on my skin and it was cute. It's just the shape did not make it cute for me. So I'm gonna take the color off, maybe put brown or very dark red. I don't know yet. Anyway, you can tell I'm stalling because as I was saying, I'm having thoughts, right? Most of the times my hair is in the twist, right? Most of the times, like you guys see it when I do my hair, I put it in twist and then I wear it for the week. So I'm thinking that if my hair is always in a twist and not being worn and, you know, being diverse with hairstyles, like, why not lock my hair? I'm at a point in my life where I want to lock my hair. My mom used to tell me a lot. She was like, lock your hair to look good. And I was like, no. I hated the thoughts. I hated the idea of locking my hair. I was like, it's not cute. I do not like it. But I was very close-minded because I only knew of thicker locks. Like, I really don't think that thicker locks will look good on me. Okay, it looked good on other people. It won't look good on me. So I thought that was the one she was suggesting. I've come to learn of micro locks and sister locks. So I'm now thinking if maybe I should just do that. I'm trying to have people's opinion. I asked my sibling, like, they don't know because they would like to do things to their hair. And I feel like I would like to do things to my hair too, because I do enjoy Washday and stuff, but I also want the growth. Do you know how beautiful it is to grow your hair effortlessly for years? When I had shorter hair, I feel like it was easier to do my hair. But as my hair grows longer, detangling gets tedious because imagine your hair sheds from your scalp, right? It sheds in this coily state. It just can't fall off easily. It tries to fall out if it just stops here and then wraps around your hair, right? And then another one sheds and stops halfway, wraps around your hair. That is how long hair natural is. Like, if your hair grows longer and shed hair can just fall out easily, I think that would be herb. But that's not the case. Like, it would literally wrap around like that. Like, that's the tangle. And when I detangle it to the end to find the cause of it, it's just the shed hair. So at the end of the day, it's making it harder. But if you have short hair, I feel like your shed hair can easily fall out and you don't have to go through whole length of hair to get that shed hair out. So that's another reason why I would love to do twist out, but the detangling process is a mess. It was still washing my hair. It was a good attention to my and I will say that. So I've seen all the girlies are talking about design essentials and I feel like I should get it. I'm being influenced to get it now because she always comments how with the shampoo she can detangle with, and that's very rare. I'm not gonna detangle with it, but if her type of hair, her hair is kind of like 4B, 4A to me, but if she can detangle with it, then I'm wondering it might be a very moisturizing shampoo. I'm running out of my TGIN, which is one of my moisturizing shampoo that I use consistently. So I'm like, I could try that. There's one thing about me, I like to run out of products before I buy a new one, especially hair products. If I do buy a hair product and I didn't run out of the other one, just know it's probably not working for me, or I've just heard better things about it, and I don't want to put my head through a product that wouldn't work for 3 months when I could be making my hair better. Those are their 2 reasons why I get new products. So I want to try that. This is lunch, guys. The papaya is not that good. This is papaya. Hi, hello. Hi guys, we're back from wash day. That was quite dreadful. Today my detangling process took about 4 hours. Jeez, that was the bulk of my wash day. But in the shower, less than an hour, I was out. I'm going to do skincare before I end this routine or this video. Oh my goodness, this is what happens when you're like doing your wash day. But we're going in with my toner. I bought this new Glow Recipe Prickly Pear Peptide Mucin. I want to add peptide to my routines, even in my hair routine. At the moment, I don't have a peptide serum for my hair. I think the Cecred drops has peptides in it. I actually have peptides. This also has peptides. I don't use it daily, but it has some type of peptides in it. I use it once in a while when I'm doing my scalp routine. But this should be my 3rd or 4th bottle. I've used CeraVe's Intensive Moisturizing Cream and it still doesn't come up to this facial moisturizer. So this is what I use. Pretty good at moisturizing your face. Yes, this is the face and the end of this video. Sorry for my chew. I know it's going to be so annoying. Thanks for coming with me for wash day. I'm going to blow dry my hair, but that's gonna be another video, and I hope you tune in or come join me for that segment as well. But yeah, you have a good night, good day, be kind to yourself, love your hair, love your coils, love your curls, and yeah, thanks for being here. Bye.